We will now discuss about the procedural differences of all the four bills when the bill is introduced in the Parliament. Let's begin with origin of the bills. Here in the origin of the bill, ordinary bill and constitutional amendment bill can be introduced in any of the houses. There is either in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. But for the money bill and financial bill, it is compulsory to introduce the bill only in Lok Sabha. That's it. Now, regarding the prior recommendation from the President of India, the ordinary bill and constitutional amendment bill does not require prior recommendations from the President of India before the bill is introduced in the Parliament. But exceptionally here again, in ordinary bill, if the bill is to be made under the subject matter that is listed in Article number 3, then the bill has to take prior recommendation from the President of India. Let's go for power jurisdictions. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha has equal jurisdictions in ordinary bill, financial bill and constitutional bill. But exceptionally here in money bill, Lok Sabha dominates over Rajya Sabha. Now let's look at to type of majority, means what type of voting pattern we follow or the Parliament follows while ordinary money, financial and constitutional amendment bill is passed in the Parliament. Here, ordinary bill, money bill and financial bill follows simple majority. But while passing the constitutional amendment bill in the Parliament, we need to follow special majority. Yes, a special majority has two types. One is special majority and another is a special majority with state concerns. Now let's go for joint sitting. Whether ordinary or all the four bill needs to have joint sitting when there is a deadlock in the Parliament. The answer is very simple. Look at it. Answer is for ordinary bill and financial bill we can have joint session if there is a deadlock, but there is no chances or no provision for the joint session for money bill and constitutional amendment bill in the Parliament if there is a deadlock, if there is rejection or any other things, or if there is a disagreement between Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha while the bill is passing in the Parliament. Very important thing of all of them is a bill can never become an act unless there is a sign or unless the President has given assent to that bill. So, be it ordinary bill, money bill, financial bill or constitutional amendment bill, to make the bill on an act, we need to have President assent. So, ordinary bill, money bill, financial bill, constitutional amendment bill needs to have assent from the President of India. Yes, there may be differences in the approach of giving assent by the President in all of them. It may be different, but needs to have the assent, or the President has to, or President will give the assent or has to give the assent accordingly. That's all for the procedural differences that I'm dealing here with you all through this table. I think this table will be beneficial. You can just pause the video and copy it down for your future references or for your future views.